This is Matea Downheimer, and this is Whanganui Bay. I currently live in Kirikiri Bay of Islands, so this is a little further south, on the Tutukaca coast. The quilt that is currently coming together on this video is inspired by a kina or sea urchin and a sand dollar or snapper biscuit that I found while I was walking on Whanganui Beach. The background is coffee and tea dyed, and the other elements were added by using ink and stitch. Thank you for watching this video, and please stop by sakwa.com to see all the wonderful and beautiful quilts that are available for this year's auction. Have fun! See you there!